Carter.
Yes, that's me, Carter the Clown, can't you see? Hey, lucky charm for you.
I'm Kirby, and that's Carter the Clown.
And you're watching More with Kinetic Sand.
Step right up and toss the rings around the Kinetic Sand soda bottle tops. Whoever catches the most rings wins.
That was pretty good. But can you do better than that? You're never gonna win with that throw. Come on. Is that the best you got?
Oh, count that.
I'll be here all night. Come on, Carter, you can do better than that. You have the bear claws. Strike! You're out.
Carter, Kirby, it is time for another Kinetic Sand Carnival Challenge. Using the beanbags, knock over the Kinetic Sand cans. Do not cross the line. Whoever knocks over the most cans wins.
What are you aiming for? You'll call that a shot? Ouch! Come on! Ooh, that was pretty good. You can do better than that.
Carter wins.
Carter, stop clowning around. We need to wrap up this show.
I hope you had a total blast.
And next episode is going to be a literal blast.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Kinetic, kinetic, kinetic sand!
Carter,
Yes, Chef?
present your work.
I know this isn't my best work, Chef, but
How could this be? This looks too good to be sand.
please, Chef?
You're quite possibly the best chef to ever compete in this competition.
But wait, there's more.
This time on More with Kinetic Sand, we're sliding some fun your way with this chef's special.
From hot dogs to donuts, we've cooked up a Kinetic Sand fun-filled time for you.
Stick around, I'm Kirby.
And I'm Carter, and you're watching More with Kinetic Sand. This is not ketchup.
And this isn't mustard.
It's Kinetic Sand.
And slime.
Carter, Kirby, let's see how you like your hot dogs.
When I do hot dogs, I only put mustard on it. So the first one is gonna be mustard.
Man down! Man down! I'm gonna have a ketchupy hot dog.
Want some mustard with that?
All right. Well, there's my hot dog. Hot diggity dog. Dang, that thing looks good.
Let's make our own Kinetic Sand donuts. Carter, Kirby, let's see how you can decorate your very own bundt cake.
I'm gonna put some in the middle.
I'm gonna like try to make fake frosting.
Try to make this look like a bundt cake. I knew this was a bundt cake.
Why do they call it a bundt cake? It doesn't look like a bundt.
Then we're gonna put the pink and the purple together.
I'm very concentrated on this.
3, 2, 1.
Now I gotta make the sprinkles. Okay.
Oh my gosh, what?
Slice. Let's give you a front view of the slice.
I'm feeling the zen.
Let's make Kinetic Sand cheeseburger sliders.
Oh, what a delightful donut you have made. But is it satisfying?
Satisfying, satisfying, and surprising.
Wow, very surprising.
Satisfying.
And satisfying.
See you next time on More with Kinetic Sand. Bye.